In today's world, the way we live has evolved dramatically, yet remarkably, many aspects of our education systems remain tethered to methods established over a century ago. Picture a classroom from the early 1900s, and you might find it doesn't look too different from many classrooms today. Let's explore why this conventional, factory model of education may no longer be suitable for modern learning. Imagine stepping into a classroom where desks are rigidly aligned row upon row, teachers lecture from the front, and students passively absorb information like machines on an assembly line. This is the factory model of education developed during the Industrial Revolution to churn out workers who fit like cogs into the industrial machinery. Back then, efficiency and conformity were paramount, and the system was designed to deliver information swiftly and uniformly. However, as we stand in the 21st century, the world has changed. Today's society requires innovators, critical thinkers, and problem solvers who can adapt to rapidly shifting terrains. Yet, education often clings to outdated methods, emphasizing memorization over understanding, standardization over creativity. This imbalance stifles innovation in a time when the global economy thrives on creative and flexible thinking. The factory model's rigidity often neglects the diverse ways in which students learn. Each child is unique, with varying strengths and learning styles. Some are visual learners, while others may be analytical, artistic, or kinesthetic. A one-size-fits-all approach, however, doesn't account for these differences, which can leave many students disengaged and uninspired. Modern psychology and pedagogy stress personalized learning paths, yet the legacy of the factory model often remains an obstacle. Consider Finland, a beacon of educational innovation, where rigid structure has given way to flexible, student-centered learning environments. Teachers act as guides rather than enforcers, and students engage in collaborative projects that mimic real-world scenarios rather than rote memorization. This shift underscores the power of adapting educational models to foster creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. In conclusion, while the factory model was a product of its time, it is increasingly clear that it doesn't fit the needs of modern learners. As we strive to prepare future generations for a world filled with unprecedented challenges and opportunities, we must also reimagine our educational spaces, not as factories, but as vibrant ecosystems of discovery where every learner can thrive. By doing so, we not only embrace the individual potential of each student, but also cultivate a more dynamic and innovative future